What's up guys, Nanu Garage here. Today, like I promised earlier on, we're gonna go take the Cadillac out and do some more shenanigans. So as you can see, I'm just letting it idle right over here right now. And yes, we did. We got the new tires in and they look nice. They're brand new tires, so of course they look nice. Let's check them out. Got them right over here. Got it on all four corners of the car. So now that we got the new tires over there, we're gonna put it onto the Cadillac probably in about a week or two. We'll see how long these tires hold up for, because we're obviously gonna be getting our use out of it, our money's worth. So as you can see, they're kind of, you guys probably can't see, but they're pretty low on tread right now. They're probably around 330 seconds right now. So once they get down to 2 or 1, then we'll just put the new ones on, get some 0 to 60 times, do some other cool things. But for now, let's get into all the cool stuff. Alright guys, so we're about to head down to Mexico right now. As you can see, the tire in the back right is at 27 psi. It's slowly losing air, but whatever, we got the new tires in. So I still do want to finish these off. We're gonna go to the Chevron right now. Chevron, please sponsor me. And we're gonna pump up the tire to around 37 to match the other one. So it's gonna be matching all of them around. And then we're gonna go head down to Mexico and we're gonna slide. That should be good. People think I'm so crazy right now. Just check it out. That's how I look. But yeah, that face you just saw, that's not going to be the one driving down in Mexico. That's going to be the stunt driver I hired for today. But yeah, there we go. So yep, 39 psi. Now we are rolling. As you guys can probably see right there, back end kicked out pretty easily. The tires are, the tread is just so low right now, so that's why. But yeah, it's also fun. All right guys, we're getting closer and closer to Mexico. We're still a little far out, but I'm gonna pick up the camera once we get there so you guys don't have to watch this very long and brutal drive. But getting closer, and check that out, it looks clean. Looks like Jay Leno driving it too. All right, we got our TC, this off, manual, second gear. quickly just show you that. Alright, so we're back now, everybody. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you guys thought down below in the comment section. Also, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like, and make sure you hit that bell. It really helps me out a lot, and it helps you guys out a lot, because I know you guys are going to love the content that I got planned for the future. If you didn't like the video, leave a dislike. So yeah, that's a wrap to this video. We're going to go out probably in the next day or two and do this again. And maybe another time after that, because I was just looking at it, we haven't even hit the tread bar yet, so we're not at 2/32 of an inch. So we can just keep on shredding these until we eventually need those new tires put on. And then when we get the new tires put on, we're gonna do some 0 to 60 times and see what this car can do at its best, which will be super epic. So please browse the channel, please subscribe, and I look forward to seeing every single one of you guys in the next video.